Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit the buy button on your website on Shopify. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on the main page of my Shopify store, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going into online store, going into themes, and then clicking customize next to the theme that I want. Now, once I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and locate the button, which is mainly located on the products page in the default products theme or template. And as you can see here, the buttons are. If I click on them, I can then select and check out their functionalities. To the right, I can uncheck show dynamic checkout, and it'll only show the add to cart button and not the buy now. That is, as you can see, the only option that is available. But if you want to customize it, then you can customize the appearance, and you are very limited in your options. But if you go into theme settings and go into buttons, here you can change a couple of things. You can change the thickness of the border, which, as you can see, will look like this at max, and it looks something like this just under half of it. You can modify the opacity of the border, which, as you can see now, it is a bit more transparent. You can also edit the corner radius. If it is at 0, it'll be completely square. If it is completely to the max at 40 pixels, it'll be completely oval, as you can see. And you can also edit the shadow. As you can see, you can edit the opacity, the horizontal offset of the shadow, which looks like that, the vertical offset as well, which will push it down, I think. Yep. And you can also edit the blur of the shadow like so. And yeah, that is basically the only way you can edit your buttons for purchasing on Shopify. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.